Hi everyone, this is Drishti with. So guys, in today's video, I'll explain you a demo on digital gifting for WooCommerce stores that is now possible with Giftware WooCommerce gift cards. So let me first show you all the gift cards that we are having. So these are the various gift cards for different occasions and the celebrations that you can go with. So let's see the birthday gift card template preview. So here is the gift card for birthday. You can see with the pricing details and coupon code. This is the anniversary gift card, as you can see, with the pricing, coupon code, email format, etc. And likewise, if I scroll it down and click on Mother's Day preview, so here is the gift card with coupon code, QR code. After this comes the general settings tab. So enable the WooCommerce gift card from here. Enable the tax calculation, enable gift card send. You can select the date format. You can enable the listing, allow gift card to be used individually, and guys, these are the various general settings that you need to do. You can set the expiry date. You can set the minimum and the maximum spent amount on the gift card on which your customers will get the gift card coupons. You can set the number of time usage. You can enable the payment gateways for the gift card. So these are the various options. You can select any one out of these and then click on Save Changes. So all the settings have been done. Now we come to the product settings. So enable to exclude the sale items, exclude the products. Let's say I mentioned the product over here, and exclude the product category from here on which you don't want to give the gift card coupons. Then Save Changes. Now we come to the email settings tab. So from here you can configure all the email settings on the gift card. Upload the default logo. You can set the logo dimensions, height and the width. You can set the default event image from here. You can set the email background color from here. And you can also set the gift card message length, and these are the various settings. So you can also set the mail settings and the coupon mail settings, and then Save Changes. So all the settings have been done. Next comes offline gift card. So guys, it is very easy to import the offline coupons if you're going with this extension, and you can also list the offline gift cards with the help of this extension. This is export coupon setting. This feature will allow you to import the coupons for sending your own coupon codes instead of the system generated one. Simply you need to choose a CSV file, you need to import the gift card coupons, and then you can also see it in the demo CSV. Next is the import gift products. So if you want to import the gift products, you can easily do it from here. The same procedure will be followed likewise, and you need to choose a CSV file. You need to choose a file to import the gift products and then import. You can also see the demo CSV. Next we come to other additional settings tab. So from here you can enable the BCC option for gift card meals. So enable it here and do all the required settings like apply the coupon fields. So if you want to disable it, you can do it, and likewise you can disable the resend button. If you want to disable the quantity, you need to turn it on. Disable the send today button. Then Save Changes. So all the settings have been done. And now we come to the discount settings tab. So if you want to enable the discount on the gift card products, so simply you need to enable this option and then Save Changes by doing all the required settings of the discount. Guys, if you want to give the special offers to your customers on the thank you, so simply you need to enable this from here and then Save Changes. So all the settings for thank you order settings will be done. Now we come to the QR settings. So to enable the QR code security, you need to enable the QR code from here and do all the required settings. To disable QR code, simply you need to click on reset. And now we come to the shipping settings. If you want to enable the email to recipient, you can do it from here. Enable the downloadable feature from here. If you want to enable the shipping on the gift card, so you can enable it from here, this feature, and you can allow your customers to choose the various gateway. So guys, now I'm going to show you that how can you create the new gift card. So click on add new. Here you need to mention the name of the gift card product. For example, happy birthday gift card. Here you need to mention the text like this is the gift card for birthday. You can also see that we are getting the link to see the preview, and here you need to mention the product data like gift card. Here you need to mention the default price. You can mention the type of the pricing, the email template, for example gift card, birthday I have mentioned. Which template you want to be selected by default, you can do it. You can exclude the products. You can exclude the product category. Simply you need to mention the category that you want to exclude. Here you need to include the products, include category, and like this. So guys, you must be observing that how easy and quick the settings are. So this is really gonna help you to attract your customers by the gift card enthusiasm and retain them for a long time. So here you need to include the category that you can do from here. You can override the delivery options, and doing it will override the delivery. So if you want to set the product image, you can do it from here. So these are the various products. Let's say if I select this product, these are the attachment details that I am getting, and click on set product image. So as you can see, the selected product image has been uploaded. If you want to see the preview of the gift card, simply click it over here, and here is a preview of the gift card that we have created from add new panel. And these are the various settings that we have done, like date, email, delivery options. You can see all of them over here. So guys, this was all about the demo on the gift card. And guys, if you're having any of the queries and the doubts, you can put them in the comments below. We will feel glad to solve all your queries and the questions. And do subscribe our channel if you're a first time visitor. If you like this video, just hit like. And guys, till the next video, thanks for watching and stay connected.